Good morning, y'all.
Morning.
Today we are gonna do something a little different. We're gonna take down a chimney, put a new chimney up.
Absolutely.
No installs, but it's a beautiful day out and we're gonna have a good time doing it.
See what's in the box of goodies today. Chimney!
It's a chimney day. Here's the old chimney. That's nice, eh? Not. This is what we're working with here.
Well, sometimes you gotta throw up some cement board for
Safety precautions.
What are we doing up there?
Hey, we're just...
Well, we're on top of the roof, finishing up the chimney.
You go piece by piece, right?
Yeah.
Once you hold and secure the Ductite here and make sure that it's completely sealed so you don't get any water in there, you can carry on. So, piece by piece, and we're done.
We're getting there. Looks done to me.
It's pretty well done.
Not yet, though.
Well, we're signing the top today because I'm gonna fall off this roof.
And that means it's done.
And signed, sealed, delivered. Here we're starting on the damper, or the dampier as the French say. Done.
All right, job done. Officially now. Another one done.
Another one bites the dust.